Hey, are you a proud vehicle owner in the Chicagoland with a crack on your windshield and you're wondering what to do about it? Are you asking yourself, can this be repaired? Do I need to get an entire new windshield? And then after that going, oh no, I don't want to pay for a whole new windshield. Well, don't worry. My name is Clay, owner and operator here at Pro Glass Windshield Repair. We've saved thousands of customers from having to replace their windshield by repairing their rock chip and, yes, and even a long crack. Go ahead and give us a call at 630-962-1998.